Cracking the Geometry Code, GMAT and GRE Math Concepts. Hello learners! Today, we're going to delve into an important topic that often forms a significant chunk of the GMAT and GRE tests: geometry. No need to fret if this word brings back school memories of puzzling over shapes and angles. We're here to make this journey as simple and engaging as possible. We will focus on the key areas that these tests often evaluate and provide you with tips and strategies to tackle these questions confidently. Before we start grappling with complex questions, it's important to have a solid grasp of the fundamental concepts. In geometry, these include the basic shapes and their properties, including triangles, rectangles, circles, and more. We'll learn about their angles, areas, perimeters, and how they interact with each other in more complex figures. Triangles are the simplest polygons, but there's a lot more to them than meets the eye. We'll discuss different types of triangles and the Pythagorean theorem, a key concept that often crops up in these tests. Understanding isosceles triangles, equilateral triangles, right-angled triangles, and their properties will be our focus here. Next up, we'll move on to circles and rectangles. We'll learn about radius, diameter, circumference, and area in circles and how to calculate the area and perimeter in rectangles. We'll also explore how to solve complex problems that combine these shapes in surprising ways. Once we've mastered the two-dimensional shapes, we'll move on to three-dimensional figures such as cylinders, spheres, cubes, and prisms. We'll discuss volume and surface area and how to calculate them. It might sound daunting now, but with practice, you'll be able to handle these questions with ease. Finally, we'll dive into coordinate geometry, where you'll learn to plot points on a plane, find distances between points, and understand the equations of lines and circles. This section is an intersection of geometry and algebra, making it a crucial area to master. Remember, the key to conquering geometry lies in understanding and practicing these concepts well. Don't be disheartened if you find certain topics challenging initially. The journey of mastering geometry is a step-by-step process. Stay curious, keep learning, and practice as much as you can. We hope this video gives you a head start in preparing for the GMAT and GRE geometry sections. Happy studying!